Keeping your backyard bird flock fully enclosed in a coop or a run to keep them away from any wild birds and their droppings can be very significant in preventing disease spread to them. Washing or sanitizing your hands before and after you're handling your birds or cattle. Keeping the feed areas, drinking water, any equipment or supplies that you use, trying to keep them securely away from any wild birds or rodents that could transmit disease. We talked before about protective gear for yourself, but using that protective gear also helps prevent spread between places, between your home or your backyard flock and maybe work if you work on a farm somewhere. So having designated clothing or footwear for home versus elsewhere. Preventing visitors to your own flock at home. So if you're used to having people come over, maybe you just don't want to let them in the chicken coop or where the birds are hanging out, just to limit any transmission that could be on boots or shoes or clothing. You can clean and disinfect and limit the areas where your birds are outside in contact with wild birds. So like water troughs, cleaning and disinfecting them regularly to limit spread from droppings and other birds utilizing them as well. Dogs and cats, if you can keep them indoor only, that helps limit spread and infection in them. Dogs, they're always going to be going in and out usually, so trying to prevent them from eating or investigating dead birds or other dead animals. Also avoiding feeding raw meat, milk, or poultry products to your pets because the virus can be active in those food sources. So if you're feeding human food, making sure it's fully cooked, or if you're feeding milk, then making sure it's pasteurized. That can limit spread to your pets as well. Knowing the signs of those animals and contacting your local veterinarian immediately if you have a suspicious acting animal or flock, and call them immediately before you move any birds or make any decisions.